Hello YouTubers, thanks for joining in and watching this video. If you like, please subscribe, or if you're a return viewer, thanks for coming back. So this is the YZ80H that I've been doing up. Currently I've spent about 170 hours on it. I'm just doing the tank polishing at the moment, so that's still got a bit to go before I get that nice and white before I put that on. Just trying to find a stencil kit to put on it, and I only just got the top end gasket kit the other day, so I was able to put all the top end and the exhaust back on. The plastics you can see is aftermarket DC plastics, and I've got a aftermarket seat cover as well. The wheels currently on this are off the other YZ80H because I'm just getting the other ones trued up and new tyres fitted. Just wanted to roll this out because it'll be the first time I get to start it up. So I've just fueled it up. As you can see, I've painted the engine. The sprocket cover's not totally clean yet. The rear swing arm's all painted, just got to get the swing arm stickers. Carby's had a clean out, a new top end rebore. The exhaust was cleaned, wire brushed and painted. Same with the frame, that was all stripped back and new paint. The exhaust was all cleaned out. The muffler isn't too bad on it. And the seat sponge is pretty square as well, which looks good. Aftermarket levers, and I think the clutch cable's only a tiny bit too long, but we'll make that work. Alright, so I'll just put the phone down, I'll start it up and so I can have a listen to it for the first time, run it through a heat cycle. So just going to give it a few kick overs to get the fuel up. So good compression. Got the screwdriver ready. So check the airflow meter. The airflow screw chokes on. See how it goes. Sounds like we're going to have to take the clutch cover off when I pull the clutch in, the noise goes away. It's quiet now. No, it's stalled. I'll just start it again. It's actually run out of fuel. So I'll just pause the video. So I worked out what the problem was. The gearbox didn't get oil through the bearings, so I just tipped it over. It's running alright now though. Still got the chain and new sprockets to put on it. Run out of fuel. Oh, thanks for watching again. Subscribe if you haven't already, thanks.